Let me ask you a question. What can $100 really do? Dinner for two? A couple new shirts? A streaming bundle? Now, what if I told you that same $100 just once a month could quietly turn into $1 million? This isn't magic. It's something more powerful. It's called compounding. And if you don't understand it, you'll always stay behind. Meet Jake, the guy who started taking finances serious early in his life. Jake is 22, not rich, didn't had rich parents, but he makes a choice most people don't. He starts putting just $100 a month into stocks, nothing fancy, just long-term investments in some low-risk stocks. You can invest as you like, but I will pick stocks as an example. No day trading, no chasing hype, just consistency. At first, investing feels pointless. Year one, Jake invests $1,200. His stock portfolio grows to $1,300. That's a $100 profit. Big deal? No. After 5 years, he's put in $6,000. It's now worth $7,200. Still nothing wild. This is where most people quit, because it feels like nothing is happening. But compounding is like planting a seed. You won't see the tree until years later. Then the magic kicks in. 10 years later, he's put in $12,000. It's now worth $20,000. Okay, now we're talking. At 20 years, $24,000 invested, it turned into $70,000. After 30 years, $36,000 invested turned into whopping $210,000. And after 40 years, just $48,000 total invested. But the value, it will be over $650,000. That's $600,000 profit by investing $100 each month, all from stocks growing at an average of 10% a year. No secret sauce, just time and discipline. Here's the sad truth. Most people only start investing seriously in their 30s. Why? They think they need more income, more time, or more knowledge, but that delay is expensive. Jake's friend Chris starts investing when he is 35 with the same $100 a month. Even though he invests longer, he never catches up. Why? Because Jake gave his money more time to compound. Time in the market matters more than the amount you invest. Always. What about stock market crashes? Stocks go up, stocks crash. It's part of the game. But over time, the stock market has always recovered. Always. Jake doesn't panic. He keeps investing through the dips. Because compounding works best when you stay in, not when you try to jump in and out. Here is a simple trick. Divide 72 by your return rate, and you'll know how long it takes to double your money. With stocks earning 10% a year, 72 divided by 10 is 7.2. So your money doubles every 7 years. It's not just getting doubled. Because you are putting more money in, it's getting doubled while compounding. And it's really powerful. Let's get another example. This is Emma. Emma starts investing $100 a month at 18. She stops when she is 28, so just 10 years of investing. Brian starts at 35 and invests $100 each month until he is 65. That's 30 years. Guess who ends up with more? Emma. Because compounding works harder when it has time. That's why your 20s aren't for flexing, they're for planting. Don't wait for more money. You think you need more money to invest? Wrong. Start with $100 or 50 or even 25. The habit matters more than the amount because once you start, you'll find ways to increase it. Raises, side gigs, better budgeting. But if you wait for the perfect moment, you'll lose the most valuable asset, time. Investing $100 a month might not make you rich tomorrow, but it will give you something better. Freedom later. The freedom to quit the job you hate. The freedom to say no. The freedom to breathe. And all it takes is planting the seed and leaving it alone to grow. So this is the final message to you. Most people won't do this. They'll keep spending $100 on stuff they forget in a week. You're smarter now because now you know that compounding isn't fast, but it's unstoppable. $100 a month is not small. It's your future wealth, disguised as pocket change. Start today. Don't break the chain. Let compounding turn your small habits into a rich future.